Hi, this is Jim at the vacuum store, and today we're going to show you a replacement power head for a Rainbow vacuum cleaner. I noticed a lot of people on eBay, they're selling replacement power heads, but what they're doing is they're selling you different hoses and everything else. I got a real replacement power head that will do the job. This here, for example, is a D4C model, and on and off is right here. And this will make the power head turn on by pressing the button. So now this guy, when we go to take the replacement power head that I'll send you is, naturally you'll take your old power head off. There's that little button there. So you'll press that little button in, just like that. Now you'll get your new power head like this. Now let me show you some advantages of your new power head. Your new power head will have a light inside it. The genuine Rainbow power heads do not have a light on it there. When we flip this on over, you got a metal roller brush. Genuine Rainbow roller brushes have a wooden roller brush, so you got a nice metal roller brush here. But when you get your power head, what you're going to do is, all you're going to do is you're going to take your hose and you're going to push it straight in like this until it locks. So it's kind of snug, but push it in until you hear it click. And then you'll see the little button come down there. And then from here, you'll just go ahead and do what you did on your old power head. You'll bring the wire on up like that. But I'm not going to bring the whole wire on up because you guys all know how to do that. So from here, we're going to go to your Rainbow vacuum cleaner here. You're going to put this button in like this. And it's just like your old Rainbow here. You're going to click the button in just like that. Make sure it's pushed in there and snug all the way. Now when you turn on the power here, you'll turn on the Rainbow power head just like that. It'll work just like your regular Rainbow power head, just like that. Now if you want to turn your power head off for hardwood and linoleum floors, you got a button here. And that button will shut off the roller brush. You notice the roller brush isn't spinning. But naturally you want your carpet. So only real difference is you're going to have this button here. So always make sure the button is on for the carpet. So basically this is a nice replacement Rainbow power nozzle. What this is going to do is got the metal roller. It got the replaceable brush strips. You also right here on the side has a built-in circuit breaker. So if you get anything stuck in there, just pull it out, hit the reset button, and it fires right back up. And then again, you get a light. Now the old Rainbow power heads like this, you don't get a light here. So everything will work just like your original Rainbow power head there. The only slight little difference is when you go to put the power head in, you just got to push it in just a little snugger until you hear it click. So I'm going to do it one more time. So when you get this power head, however you want to do it, it'll probably be easier to take this off there. But all you're going to do is push it all the way down just like that until you hear it click. And then presto, you're in business. And that's it.